Let's create a community where everyone feels valued and heard. This is your moment. Let's learn together and grow. Raise your voice for them. Share happiness. Advocate for inclusive policies. Let's celebrate our shared humanity. Rise together, shine together. Let's make a difference. Break silence, amplify freedom. Join us to celebrate diversity and unity. Inclusive campaign for gender-responsive community environment. Join this exciting event at beautiful Kuakata, Bangladesh.